time of Piraeus Port Authority in CIIE, we noticed that we have an increase at our container throughput. We have 40% of Chinese from the Chinese market. For that reason, Piraeus Port Authority wants to be here in order to expand its knowledge, its experience, to meet new partnerships, not only in Chinese market but in every foreigner market.